Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake box at home full guide. Gather cardboard, ruler, pencil, scissors, tape, and strong glue, then measure your cake for a snug fit. Cut pieces to size, fold crisp edges, assemble base and lid, reinforce corners with extra tape, and test the fit before decorating the box. Use a cutting mat and sharp blade for clean cuts, and consider foam core for heavier cakes if extra support is needed. Start by measuring the cake diameter and height precisely, then add 1/4 inch clearance on each side for easy removal. Mark and cut the base and lid pieces from sturdy cardboard, scoring fold lines for crisp edges. Use strong tape or glue to assemble, reinforce corners with folded tabs, and add a paper liner or parchment to protect the cake. Label the box if shipping or storing at home. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick Darn Tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for bakers standing long shifts. They add humor and practical value while you measure and craft boxes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for supporting small creators. Grab a pair for longer baking days and fewer blisters. Now let's get back to the video. Measure cake diameter and height, then compute base size, adding clearance and seam allowance for folding. For tiered cakes, make separate snug boxes for each tier or use internal supports to prevent shifting. Consider window cutouts or vents for cooling, and add decorative paper, stickers, or branded labels for presentation. Test fit empty cake rounds before use and practice one prototype box to ensure your folds and measurements are accurate consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.